Hi friends, I'm Sarah. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to take a screenshot on your WP spreadsheet on your computer or PC. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to take a screenshot on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer or PC, just going to show in this video, in this short video, okay? First of all, if you want to take a screenshot for your data file, if you're having a lot of data here, so here I just going to add something like this, okay? So we have we're just going to insert some shapes here. So I just want to take this page as a screenshot, okay? So let's click on the insert option first, and here you will see this option called screenshot. Click on this top, here you can just select a rectangular screenshot or oval screenshot. You can see there's a lot of screenshot, and here you can see the Control Alt X, which will shortcut for key for screenshot. Click on this rectangular and you just can just swipe like this, and you will see this option on the bottom called, you can just change to circle, cursor, highlighter, text. And also after taking the screenshot, click on the save option and done option, the save option to save this, and click done. You can see the screenshot has been here, and I just can resize it, and you can place wherever you just need it on the sheet. Okay, so we can also change the ratio and brightness, picture effect, and everything can be customizable. And this is how you just take a screenshot on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.